Hello and welcome to Waltz seminar named Basic and Beyond. Idea is to show how we can build from basic figures new free figures which we can do in open class. And today we will dance Fallaway reverse to outside change. Let's welcome our demonstrators Andrejs and Kornelija. And we start with first 3 steps of Fallaway reverse. 1, 2, 3. Now we do like back check and look at lady and then step to side to promenade position. 1 and 2 and 3. Now let's look how Andrejs and Kornelija dance first 3 steps of Fallaway, then back check on toes and to side in promenade. Again from opposite angle. So these first 3 steps are from Fallaway reverse and then is like finish of outside change. And let's look once more. So Kornelija will dance head to left and then turn to promenade to right. After this figure we will dance chasse from promenade position. Basic timing is 1, 2 and 3, which is whole beat, half beat, whole beat. But advanced dancers sometimes use timing 1, 2, 3 and, which is whole beat, half beat. This gives us more possibility of swing. So we dance Fallaway reverse to outside change and now 1, 2, 3 and. Okay, let's do it again with the teaching count. And 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3 and. And now we will add before this figure a running weave from promenade position. It will take 2 bars. So we start from promenade position and dance 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, finishing with side cross. Now let's put together our routine. So we take promenade position, dance running weave from promenade position, finishing with side cross, then Fallaway reverse to outside change ending, and chasse from promenade position. Let's do again. Take promenade position. 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3 and to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators, Andrejs and Kornelija. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and have personal experience with me with Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video and see you in the next dance videos.